Okay, so this is your math lesson for Monday. We've played this game in class, so if you have a pack of cards at home, I want you to make sure that your jacks are out, or the jokers are out. What we play is multiplication war, so you are going to play with versus someone else. You're going to split the cards in half, and what you're going to do is you're going to flip up two cards and you're going to multiply them together. Now, aces, kings, queens, and jacks, those are worth 1. Okay, so I'm putting that on my whiteboard. So this would be 1 times 1. Okay, and whoever can get it right the quickest gets these two cards. Okay, so you flip up another card. That's 1 times 6, that's 6. That's 5 times 3, that's 15. Okay, now you want to make sure that you're getting them correct. So if you need to check with a parent or an older sibling, please do. So you can play multiplication war. You can also do addition, same rules. Aces, kings, queens, jacks would be 1. So if you're not comfortable with multiplication, you can do addition. So it'd be 9 plus 5. Okay, so that'd be 9 plus 5, which equals 14. If you're doing the addition war. If you're doing multiplication war, it'd be 9 times 5, and that's 45. Okay, so this is one way to play a game to review your math facts. Another way to play it is with dice. Okay, so you and your partner would have dice. Okay, you both would roll at the same time. So here's my partner's dice, here's my dice. Okay, if you're going to do multiplication, you're going to multiply your 2 die that you just rolled. So this is 5 times 4. My partner is going to do 6 times 6. Okay, we're going to check each other's answers, and if I get it wrong, I get a point. If I get it right, I get a point. If they get it right, they get a point. If I get it wrong, I don't get a point. If they get it wrong, they don't get a point. Okay, so you can do it that way, or you can just use 2. And again, it's like multiplication war. You would have to do, you would have to be with your partner, and whoever can say the product or the answer to the multiplication problem the quickest wins a point. So if my partner said it first, they said 4 times 3 is 12, they get that point. Okay, you can also do this with addition as well. I would use, you can use 2 dice for addition. You can go, what's 5 plus 6, or 4 plus 6, 10. So that's another way to review math facts as well. If you have dice, if you don't have cards, if you don't have dice, what I did was I made, just use paper, and I wrote 0 through 10 on there, or 0 through 11, I'm sorry. And what we would do, you can use like index cards, or you can use paper. So what we would do is we would mix these up, right? You'd mix them up like you would a deck of cards. Okay. Ooh. Mix them up. Okay. And then you and your partner would choose one paper. So I have 10 times 11. Ooh, so I have to draw. And so what you would do is you would have another piece of paper. For a problem this large, I would do a piece of paper and I would draw 10 rows of 11. So I would draw 10 rows of 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I would do 11. All right, and then I'd find the answer. I would count all of them together and find the answer. Whoever finds the answer the quickest gets a point. Okay, you can also do addition as well if you're not feeling comfortable with multiplication. Let's say we picked up 10 and 11. We would add 10 plus 11. Okay, add the 1s first, add the 10s, that's 21. So these are 3 ways that you can review math facts, and this is actually your math lesson for today. Today and tomorrow actually is just using, at least one of these games to practice your math facts today and tomorrow. So have fun.